So with this Italian-inspired clip art set that I've done, you get 4 different backgrounds and then 3 pages of clip art to use. Okay, I've cut the papers and the clip art. I cut some of these down into more manageable pieces, and I've kind of grouped them in maybe some ideas of how I want to put them together. I have a black stamp pad, I have a brown stamp pad, I have all my little words and phrases over here, and this is the cutouts, glue, tape, and then some vintage tab thingies, tickets here, and I'm going to just kind of assemble them. So I'm going to put those to the side. I'm going to get everything out of the way to make some room here. Well, I guess I'm going to start with this guy since I got him already out, and this is, let's see, I'm going to, well, you know what? I keep trying to decide what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take and edge it with this brown. This is a distress ink pad, and it's a vintage photo. It has like a brown, and it gives a nice patina on the edge of whatever I'm doing here. And this is some vintage papers from the Italian books. I think this is, yeah, from the Italian books that I got when I was in Italy. I do have some of these up in the shop, but I think there's a pack of 100 right now. I'll be working on more packs soon, but anyways, I'm going to kind of assemble this. I need a piece of paper. I'm just gonna use this right here. I like to put the glue on this so it doesn't get all over my table. And then I'm going to line this up. I just wanted some kind of edge on this here. Let's see if I can get it to do that. There we go. There we go. And then maybe I'm gonna do the masking tape on the edge of this pocket. Just a simple pocket, but I love pockets, so I'm gonna make this into a pocket and then decorate the front, I think, and then I can use it in different pieces of art. I tried to just get the edge so not a ton of this is showing on the front, and I may have to run that stamp pad across it one more time too. So then I'm going to fold it over. There we go. Now I'll do this side. It's kind of too long, so I'm breaking it up into 2 pieces. Didn't mean to make it so long. There we go. There. Just folding it over. All right. And this gives a wide berth on that pocket right there. That's okay. Let's see. So I was thinking about maybe even, let's try it, layering some pieces on it here. When the writing's, because the writing when you flip the pocket up is upside down, so I like to kind of, I don't know, cover it a little bit. And then I even thought about like a little piece of washi tape. Oops. this to stick now that I've done that. It's my grungy washi tape. I'm out of it. I think I sold out of this one, but so I have a little bit of that left. And then I don't like it, so I'm gonna have to peel that off. It just doesn't go with the look I'm going for here, so I'm gonna take that off, and I'm just gonna, you know, I still feel like it needs some detail, so I'm just gonna take a black pen and add some detailing on it here, even though a lot of this is gonna be covered up. Still want to do that. There we go. And now to put this on the pocket, I think like maybe to the side like this, or yeah, I think like that. Or you know what, I'm wondering if we could even take it down a notch, and then so then the pocket, let's do that. So I will, I like things like staggered on and off, halfway on, halfway off. I just think it gives a more natural look than just placing it face on. I think that is kind of fun sometimes. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna turn it over and cut this excess off, and being careful not to cut the pocket. There we go. And I'm gonna save this because I could be using it for other things. I could even, you know what I mean? I could even put it up here if I wanted to. But I'm not sure what I'm putting in here yet. You know what? I still think I like that, though. I'll put it there just in case. And then let's see. I have a bunch of words here, but I haven't really went through them. I don't want to put romance, conviction, strength, hope. I like hope. Let's do hope. I'm just going to cut it down a little bit. I've already ran these through the sticker maker, so they're ready for me to attach to things. Made a cute little pocket with it. Now I can stuff things in it. I probably will end up doing that piece there, but I just want to see what I use this for, and then I'll decide. I can already see right here I need to add some more glue to both of these, so I'm just gonna shore up these edges here, put it to the side to dry. Now I'll grab this piece. I have this piece. It could be a pocket, so I guess I'll just kind of make it one and see. We'll see what happens here. Like a half a pocket. This page was tore, and I didn't want to throw it away because when I was tearing it out of a book, I kind of made a mess. So I was like, salvage. This is my idea to salvage it. I'm just making a corner so that I can fold that up, and then get that on there, and then fold that over. There we go. So I got that. And then I'm gonna do black edging on this one. I probably should have done this before I did that, but I'm gonna just kind of lightly brush that, get the edges. This paper is really light and I love it. It's not too thick, and especially like when you're collaging and adding stuff to your journals, it's nice to have papers that aren't so thick. So I do like that paper. I cut this because I was thinking it would be fun to do that. And so that right there, and then this there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna add this, get some glue on it. What I don't like to do there. And then carefully, I should have done this before I folded it, maybe. Maybe not, who knows. And then just kind of lay it down and voila. Then I was thinking this could go down here. Pieces like this, when I go to do a journal, these little, I call them little vignettes, they are so perfect for whenever you sit down and actually add stuff to your journal. You have some stuff kind of prepped and ready to go. That's kind of already decided a little bit for you about what colors and things you want to use. I'm just kind of tucking this guy under here. I like leaving part of it unhinged there just because it's just kind of fun. I don't know, it kind of looks goofy. Dang it. But it's stuck. I'm gonna have to just live with it. Maybe putting a word right there would be helpful. Let's see. We'll put strength right here. There we go. So another piece. Let's see what we got here. I wanted to show a simple just layering. So like the background paper and the clip art that matches, and then adding a different type of paper on it as a layer will allow you to use that background paper and have the layered look, and also keeping it very matchy here a little bit. And then just laying that, I thought if we go right there is what I was thinking. So I'm gonna do the center of this. Oh. Okay, and just kind of, sometimes I like the edges to pop up a little bit, so you just never know. I think maybe I'll do I think we'll do bloom, because I think warmth will go good with that other one. So I'm just gonna lay down bloom right there. You could use whatever papers you have or whatever you like, but there, kind of like that. And that would be cute on in a layout with some, like I could use some more of the pieces that I have over there, or I could use something different, or even watercolor. I could do all kinds of different things, but so it makes nice little pre-made, pre-ready to go vignettes. And create what you love this month. That's what we're doing, is little vignettes, and they're my favorite. I also have a class, a couple classes actually. I think I have, well, one for sure. The one Rooted in Gratitude. I think we make vignettes. It's a fun class. I think it's only like 20 bucks, but it's a fun little class. It's a little mini class. So this one, I think we'll do the brown on the edge of this one. I'm gonna hit it with some brown. I came down a little far on that, but that's okay. I still think it looks all right. There we go. Okay. And I can even like do the edge of this flower too. This one over here, I'll show you this really quick. This one over here, I fussy cutted around the botanicals, and this one I just kind of left. You can see the different looks and how they look. I like them both. It just depends on when and where I like to use that. So there we go. I kind of know when I'm laying things out what I would like, and I wanted it to, this one was going to be kind of hanging off the edge a little bit, so I did want it to be cut out. This one I knew was going to fit all the way, so I didn't really care. But anyways, just a few things that you can do with this printable and some scrap papers. I just did a few pieces. I just thought it would be fun to just kind of play with these. I love how these turned out. I've been using them in projects like crazy, so I hope you enjoy them.